Okay guys, back with some progress today. Finished sanding the boat from the outside. Finished sanding the boat from the inside. Gel coated the bottom black. Painted the upper portion of it white, semi-gloss white. And the inside as well, semi-gloss white. It's looking really, really shiny right now. We got those cables hanging over there. They don't know what to do with those freaking cables. It's looking very, very, very shiny, which was the whole goal. I got the new console, new doors, new T-top. I'm trying to get my hands on a really good outboard, but as of now, at the looks of it, I don't think I'll be getting another outboard.